Hi guys, welcome back to our channel. Super happy to see everyone here. Guys, we have a very special shopping episode for today. We are going to check out very beautiful bags at CELINE. Yes guys, I'm so excited to be going back to the store. They have very beautiful bags. I enjoyed my first visit. Their customer service, guys, chef's kiss. Their CAs are very friendly. So guys, good news is I'm going to link everything that we are going to see here on the description box below. Product codes, the actual bags, the links, the prices, everything that you need to know so that you can shop with me. So guys, I'm inviting you to please watch until the end of our episode for today. Hi guys, Ron here, Suking Budgetarian and Fashionista. I publish vlog every Wednesdays and Saturdays about latest about fashion. I do luxury shopping vlogs, hauls and unboxings. I also do bag reviews and provide styling tips. I'm inviting you to please join our ever-growing fan. There's a cute little icon here. So please click on this one so you can easily subscribe and be a member of our growing luxury addicted family. Please like and share this video and follow me on my new Instagram account that's @Ramiro52 for daily updates and styling tips coming from me.
Yay, I'm so excited to go back to CELINE, so let us check out their very beautiful bags. So let us see what they have on window display. First, we have for 180k these beautiful Triomphe shoulder bag. We have in CALFSKIN and we have in their monogram canvas. We have their beautiful sunnies as well. This one, guys, 121k. It's like the on-the-go PM. This is the CELINE mini horizontal Cabas tote. And are you seeing the very cute CELINE bag charm? Wow, so gorgeous. What do you think of the bag charm, guys? Then they have the new Cabas vertical tote. This one is for 99k. This is entirely made of a canvas and it has cowhide leather trims as well. Then we have this very beautiful summer tote bag. So we have the CELINE basket bags. Then we have this very beautiful different variety of CELINE bags. They have the smaller version, so this one is for 89k, the CELINE vertical Cabas tote mini.
Hi guys, we are here at CELINE again, checking these very beautiful bags. Ikaw? Para marami na ako masyadong.
Then we have for 125k, we have the CELINE Ava strap bag in smooth calfskin. What I love about this bag, guys, so it's 100% leather and you're going to see that the strap is fully detachable. For 57k, we have the CELINE clutch with chain in Triomphe canvas. So it comes in the classic canvas and it has like the May Azure version of LV. So which one do you prefer, guys? Next, for 96k, we have the CELINE Ava bag in Triomphe canvas. This one, guys, are the mini ones for 59k. So I would be showing you some mod shots in a few to show how mini and teeny tiny this very cute Ava shoulder bag is. And then we have the Teen Triomphe for 215k. So this 180k, the CELINE Triomphe shoulder bag, and we have a Boston bag for 155k. This one, guys, I am loving the giant monogram. Did you see that? Later we are going to check it out more close up. We have the CELINE Teen Triomphe for 195k. We have the leather version as well. Then we have for 92K in the classic CELINE Triomphe canvas. I will not pronounce the name, guys, because I'm sure I'm going to not say it correctly. Then we have for 255K the CELINE 16 classic bag. So this one is the much bigger version. Just look how chic this bag is. Then we have this very cute bag charms. Which one is your favorite here? We have very beautiful teen triumphs. Then also we have for 89K the mini vertical tote bags. If you are looking for a basket bag, we have for 42K this very beautiful basket bag by CELINE. Guys, just how cute is this vanity for 69K? How about this very cute CELINE bag in all 100% leather? Then they have their tote bags for 130K. I love it's in all genuine leather, and I'm loving how they stamp the logo on this bag. Then for 220K we have the CELINE Chrome bag size large in all 100% leather. Guys, would you say yes to this very beautiful small Boston Queer Triomphe CELINE bag for 155K? I believe this is the exact same size as the Louis Vuitton Speedy 20.
This is 30.
Guys, for 36K, you could get the very beautiful teeny tiny CELINE bag charm.
This is 49,000.
Parang sa lower. I love kaya ito. Ang ganda mong color kasi. 49. Oo.
49.
CELINE also have their heart bag, so we have in the classic CELINE Triomphe, and it also comes in the lighter CELINE Triomphe canvas like this one. We have another shoulder bag for 215K.
How much tayo?
Okay. Pink siya. Parang lipstick style. Lipstick color.
That's cute. Spacious full.
This is 110,000.
110. So leather shoulder bag.
Medium light.
We have here for 215K this very beautiful Team Versace Triomphe. Hopefully I'm pronouncing that right, guys. Let us check out CELINE's very beautiful and very enticing footwear. More beautiful eye candies for you. So we have here for 180k. Then we have another Ava. This one I like for 115k. Then we have the monogram version for 96k. I'm really starting to fall in love with the Ava bag of Celine. So that one for 136k. Also, this one is 96 for this canvas version. Celine Triomphe chain shoulder bag for 175k. Then they also have the clutch and the canvas, and then we have the Teen Triomphe, again the canvas version for 195k. Beautiful Celine SLGs and wallets for you. How about this very beautiful Ava chain shoulder bag? Then we have the canvas version.
This is 215,000, 215.
Pero that's not bad.
I love their custom jewelry section as well. More footwear for you guys. Which one is your fave here? So they have the loafers. I love the first shoe that I've shown you, the high cut version. More of their SLGs.
Hi guys, what another wonderful visit here at Celine. So hope you enjoyed our episode for today. There, did you enjoy our shopping episode for today, guys? So I would love to hear from you. Among the bag selection that we have showcased for today, which one is your favorite? Kindly comment down below. Again guys, before we end our episode, I am inviting everyone to please join our ever-growing fan. There's a cute little icon here. So please click on this one so you can easily subscribe and be a member of our growing luxury addicted family. Please like and share this video and follow me on my new Instagram account, that's @Romero52, for daily updates and styling tips coming from me. A million thank you guys for staying with me in today's episode. I'm going to leave a couple of videos here for you to check out. Please stay safe. I'm going to see each and every one of you soon. Bye!